please. Please tell me we're live. I think we've done it. I'm so smart. What? There's no way that fixed it. There's no way. All I did was just like flip an antenna. Is that how that works? Like if your antenna is bent, it just doesn't work, but when you like flip it straight, all of a sudden you have Wi-Fi. Oh my gosh. Alright. Well, I am bamboozled and I am flustered because I was trying to live like 10 minutes ago and alright. So let's get right into the charts today. Okay, this is better. This is okay. So when I was pulling up the charts earlier, it wasn't the actual charts. So I got so like freaked out because I'm like, this isn't the chart that I remember looking at. But coming into the day, what was I coming into the day? Friday. I keep on thinking it's Friday. It's Thursday. So Thursday, I was bullish until proven bearish. I was bullish until the market gave me a reason to be bearish. Wait, hold up. Yeah. Sorry. Let me see something real quick. Yeah. So coming in like an hour into market open, we were forming SMT at these lows. So that gave me a bullish bias, and we have this high and then this high on NAS. So ultimately, the draw is going to be this high. But the thing I need to do more is I need to get better at being more confident in the draw. Like clearly, the draw is this high. Let me see where we opened. 7:30 my time. I was waiting. I wanted to see us retrace back into equilibrium, back into this fair value gap, possibly get a bounce from here, maybe this beautiful order block, and then come up and sweep that high. But we kind of just made that move, which is what we have been doing. Wait. Okay. All right. So that wasn't even the right day. I don't even know what I'm doing right now. But yeah, we're open like right here, and I wanted to see us. We did bounce off this order block. So that could have been some action. If you caught this, maybe to the upside. But for me, I want to see like clean action. And today just was not very clean. You know, it wasn't sneaky clean. It was not. It was very messy. You know, we kind of have this, boom, boom. And then this was actually what I was looking at. So this is where me like switching biases every second is bad. Because this is full-blown manipulation. So we come up and then, is this the, let me see what type of high this is. So this is a 15-minute high that we come up and we sweep. So we come up, and then we're sweeping this 15-minute high. And then what are we doing once we get here? So we sweep it first, then we act like we're going low, and then we stack these three equal lows. So this right here, I don't really see it that well in real time, which is something I need to get better at. But this right here is full blown, like this is gonna act like a magnet. And then what do? We sweep internal right here, and then we get that big. We get these two like kind of big candles that flush the downside. There's not really any entry here to target these three equal lows. But then this is full blown manipulation, and then this is where you possibly. This is kind of like the only. This would have been a decent entry. After that manipulation, we get big displacement to the upside. That shows me that the draw is definitely now this high. This high. Wrong thing. The draw is now this high. So this is the draw. And then if we draw in fair value gap, you trace back into discount into this fair value gap. Hey, what's good, bro? How you doing? And so this is where I messed up today. I saw this fair value gap. I'm like, oh, we're disrespecting fair value gaps. Like I knew, but I was like, oh, we're so bearish. The draw is now this low, and so I was so zoomed in today, and I was so focused on that little 1 minute. What are we doing on the 1 minute? Where are we going to draw on the 1 minute? But if we look on any of these higher time frames, like or say maybe the 15-minute, draw is still this high. The draw is still this high. Like if we look on the 5 minute, this is kind of where I messed up. Like even on the 5 minute though, there's not really any clear entry, but like on the 5 minute, this just shows us that this isn't really anything. And so I got faked out. I acted like we were gonna go down. By the way, I didn't take any trades today. I didn't trade at all. I didn't like the price action. I wasn't very confident in the draw, even though the draw was clearly this high, clearly that high. And this would have been the entry of the day. One of the two potential setups that I saw today. We formed SMT at the lows. Let me see. It was 832. Yeah. So ES is taking out this low, but NQ isn't, creating a higher high. Draw an NQ this high. This is the entry. Stop at this low. Target. That's that previous draw. Maybe TP1 here, TP2 there. That would have been the trade. And then let's go on later in the day. So right as soon as we sweep that high, I'm kind of looking. I'm trying to see, are we going to displace lower? Are we drawing lower? And we don't really get any action to the downside. We don't get any volume to the downside. Like if once we sweep this high, I want to see us potentially like draw lower, and then target maybe here. Like that's what I want to see after we sweep that. But we obviously don't get this. We just range. Like look, we're this is not. You don't want to trade this. For me, I don't really see any good trades here. Hindsight trading is awesome, dude. That's what I'm saying. Like, if you get so caught up and say that you're trying to predict everything. Like, say you caught this move and you're like, oh, I was right about this, but I didn't take it. That's the wrong mindset to have, because like, oh, I should have took this. I missed out on this move, but I just didn't take it. If you don't have conviction, if you don't have confidence within your setup, then there's no such thing as missing out on that trade. Because the worst trade you can take is just like, oh, we're risking my own money. We're risking capital just to risk capital, and that's what I don't like. And so, yeah, as you can see here, we're just chopping, like nothing here. And then this is when we start to get like some action. Like we sweep this, and then we sweep this, and then look what happens right after that. Explosive move to the downside. These lows and these lows get taken out. For me, there's no reason to trade this. I would try to trade like maybe a 3 minute. I would have liked to see some form of SMT, and then maybe take this trade, but you would have got faked out here. Like there really wasn't. Today just didn't have good. Like look at ES. What made me like gag in my mouth was just watching ES today, and like this is what you need to like. This is what I'm proud of where I'm at in my journey. Is like I see action like this, and I'm able to detect that this is not the time when I want to risk my capital. Let's see, 920 to 1025. Okay, so that isn't SMT, but like this is not clean action. This is not pretty price action. So I'm glad I didn't take a trade today. Like really, I'm glad I did not trade today. Like the only other potential trade would be finally we create some lows. Then we displace through this, make a fair value gap. Draw on liquidity now becomes here. Enter. Stop at previous wick. This is the only other trade I saw today. But this is like afternoon session, PM session. I really don't think I would have took this if I saw it real time. Because why? I would be looking for SMT. Did we get SMT? Oh, what time is this? 11:36. No, we don't have SMT. What do you trade on, bro? Like what platform? If you're asking that, I use TradingView to chart, and then I use Tradebait now. You currently only trade Forex. Actually, I trade NQ and ES on Tradebait, and I use TradingView to chart. But I like today was ugly. Today was ugly. Like this is really the only trade, and even this is not a high quality setup. Like this really isn't like anything. We just simply did not have a trade today, and like yeah, you can take trades on this, but I don't see any like high quality setups. This is clear. This is the only one. Sorry, there was one setup I missed. Maybe this potential setup, but even here, yeah, we fake out these people that all want to go short here, thinking that this is a draw, but really it is this on the higher time periods. And this is just choppy. This is just choppy. Very choppy. Oh, I'm not even on the right day. But this whole week hasn't been pretty. Monday was the only good day. Or I guess Tuesday. Yeah, Monday and Tuesday were only clean days. And so far, I've only traded twice. I've taken 3 trades. Yeah, 3 trades this week. 2 winners, 1 stop at break even. So I feel like I've been doing pretty decent. Sat today out. Like that was key elements of finding an elite edge. Sorry, there's like something in my chat that I can't see. What do you mean? What do you mean by that? Like key elements to finding an edge. Got it. So let's kind of clear up the charts. Let's see what I'm looking at going into tomorrow. So we just swept this, or we didn't sweep this. We're currently above this high. We're currently going higher. Like I've been saying, I don't have any reason to be bearish, but I just don't like how we're in all-time highs. I don't like it. Yes, we have daily imbalance right here. I don't know. Like part of what I'm seeing tomorrow, I have to like wake up and see where the price is at. But for now, are these equal? No, they're relative. We still are. I would like to see a retracement. Like if you show me that we want to be bearish, then I'll take this trade. But like tomorrow, I'm going in. I'm going into tomorrow not looking to take a trade. Honestly, this past week has kind of been rough. I was looking forward to it because we didn't have any news at all. So I thought today would be like, this week would be like a good week because last week we had so much news and also we're in all-time highs. I mean, for me, like, and how I trade, I just, like, not the best action. Honestly, I see it staying in, consolidate. Yeah, for tomorrow, I could definitely see consolidation, so. Like, I want the market to present me and make me take a trade. That's kind of where I was today. So that's why I didn't trade. I didn't. The market wasn't popping, screaming out to me like I needed to take a trade, so I didn't. And like you just have to have the discipline to not take a trade because at the end of the day, you're putting your capital on the line. You're putting your money that you have worked for, you saved up for, on the line. So you want to put that with the best investor. You know. You don't want to be giving that money to like some random on the street begging, some homeless guy begging. Like only A plus setups, and that's my mindset going forward. Only A plus setups. At the end of the day, I'm investing. We're all investors. We're all we all have an edge, or if you don't have an edge, try to find your edge. Currently, I'm trying to find my edge, so I don't really necessarily have an edge established, but that's something I'm gonna work on, and like we're gonna get there. But yeah, going into tomorrow, I have trouble holding long term. I like to secure profits, and kind of just like have a trading plan. Is like all I would say. Like have like know when you're entering and know when you're going to exit, and don't let yourself exit before that unless if you. Because there's also times when you can tell that the trade's going against you. Like say you're. That's not good. That's not good. Oh. Wow. See, sorry, I'm losing focus. Like this could be a possible one. I don't know. Yeah, market just wasn't really giving like insane trades. Like obviously there's trades that you can take, but I need to dial in. I need to focus like more when I'm live trading. When I'm live, sometimes I get distracted. But like going forward, if you tune in my live sessions, like I probably won't even speak a word. I'll maybe occasionally say something, but like I'm gonna be dialed in, locked in, because uh, like while you're trading, if you're distracted for a split second, you can miss your setup, and that's just how it is. So yeah, going into tomorrow though. So we have this prominent high on ES, failing to break through. I'm curious to see where market opens. But if we just look on like the daily, let's look on the daily first. I I don't know, man. It's hard for me to trade in a market when I don't have like too much experience. That we're in like all time highs, so it's hard for me to find trades, especially if I'm trying to go long. But I'm definitely bullish until proven to be bearish. Like right now, draws up here, draws at this high. But I gotta see where we open tomorrow. And yeah, we do have like relative equal highs. Draws are all time highs for ES and NQ for me. So, yeah, we were traced back in equilibrium into this breaker. Perfect support off it. Yeah, clear draw for me is this high. So we'll see where we open tomorrow. And yeah, yeah, ES, like ES has been so bad. Like where are we? Like when I'm constantly seeing candles like this is when I hop off the charts, and that's exactly what I did today. I hopped off the charts and said, like, today's not a good trading day, and I'm gonna continue to be picky. Be picky and make the market make me trade. Have the market make me put a trade. And if I don't get that trade, if I don't get that right setup, I'm not trading. Simple. Simple. Like I've been saying, I'm not gonna give my hard-earned capital to some homeless drunkard. So why am I trying to gamble on trades? No. But anyways, that's pretty much all all I have to say. Um, we'll be back at it tomorrow. I didn't like I said, I only saw like 2 potential trades on NQ, but overall action ain't the greatest. I hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow if you're pulling up to a live session. If not, we'll have a live aftermarket session as well.